Hi ladybugs, welcome back to part 2. Okay, so we are working on this. Did I tell you how wide my spine is on the last one? 3 inches. Okay, so we're making like a trifold mini album, yes, but I'm doing it the standard way with the pages, which I've showed you in the first video. So I am starting to work now on the last page. I've just glued this piece down. Okay, then I have cut these 2 pieces and I've just kind of folded it in half, and I made that tab here on both of them. So I want the bigger one on the outside. In the middle I might leave it for the photographs, or I don't know, I might do something. We'll see. We shall see what we shall see. So I'm putting this one down here, right on the edge. There. There we go. How easy and simple is that? So again, this is the bare bones of it. Let's just open it. And that looks fabulous. And then I'm going to put this one. Right. There we go. So I will be using acetate on this video. Let's make sure everything is honky-dory. Press down. And then I've cut this piece just plain straight, but I've added a bit of a spine to it. About 1/4 of an inch spine there, because I want to add something inside. Okay, so I'm once again just going to glue this. I don't know what I'm going to add inside, but you'll be getting some short videos, some long videos, as I do this piece by piece. Yeah, there we go. This glue dries very quickly. It's actually a new glue that I'm using. It's not my go-to one, because my go-to one, it's the shop where I buy it from is so far away. And I just, you know. So, and this one dries much quicker than my other one. Yeah, that's right. There we go. And that should be right on the edge. See if I can get something right, huh? So that's the bare bones for the back cover. Just pressing this down. Press this down. So you've got to work quite fast with this glue, but I'll get used to it. So far we just have this. I'm going to put something in here, and then this will open here, and I might put a big envelope in here. I'll see, or maybe I'll do 2 envelopes here. Sort of a bigger one there, and then a smaller one there. That's a possibility as well. So that will go there. It really doesn't matter which way. I will have to decide because of magnets. And then here I also want to put something on top. So there'll be something in there, something here. This is so pretty. I'm a little bit short of acetate. I've got like one sheet, which is why I haven't cut anything. And what if but it's too short. Do you know, make like a window pocket? Yes, you know why? Because then the pink will shine through. And then I can use that. Maybe even make it into an envelope as well. I'm just thinking aloud, guys. So if I make that into like a pocket, that is, yeah, it's just, no, it's plenty. Because I only need a 4x6 to fit a 4x6 photograph in there, right? So, and that's almost 4 3/4. So it'll enable me to do the flaps, to make the little pocket. Or I could also do it like so, because if I'm going to make it a flap here, or no, I think I'm going to use a different color or a different paper in here to do something. Most likely this one. Yeah, this goes very nicely. And it's got the black on the back, which is perfect with that. So, very simple, bare bones, and I will be back with the next part. I'm not even going to say which part, I'll get it wrong. And it looks very plain now, but wait until we zhuzh it up. And I'll see you for the next one. So this was just a very quick video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao now. Bye-bye.